Welcome to my channel Zubi Dooby TV. Like, share and subscribe.
Kids, welcome to Color Name Adventure. Are you ready to play with colors? Let's go fun and magical journey. Say with me, yay, colors! Wow, look at this color. This color is red. R-E-D, red. Red like an apple. Red like a strawberry. Clap for red color. Now see another color. This is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue like a sky. Blue like the ocean. Say hello to blue. Oh, bright color is coming. This color is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow like the sun. Yellow like a banana. Smile for yellow. Let's see another color. This is green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green like a grass. Green like a leaves. Jump for green. Yummy color time. This color is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange like an orange. Orange like a carrot. Touch your nose for orange. Oh, magical color is here. This color is purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Purple like a grapes. Purple like a butterfly. Spin for purple. Pretty color alert. This color is pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Pink like a flowers. Pink like cotton candy. Wave for pink. Earthy color time. This color is brown. This color is white. White like a milk. This color is black. Black like a night. Let's read together. Red, blue, yellow, green. Orange, purple, pink, brown. White and black. You did a great job, kids. Bye-bye. See you in the next adventure.